Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize GoDaddy cloud hosting, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the My Products section. Locate your cloud hosting package in the list. Click on the Manage button associated with your cloud hosting. In the dashboard, select the Settings tab. Review the server specifications and ensure they meet your project requirements. Go to the scaling option to adjust your resources. Consider upgrading RAM or CPU based on your website traffic. Next, navigate to the networking section. Set up a Content Delivery Network (CDN) for faster load times. Enable caching through the cache settings for optimal performance. Access the firewall settings to manage security protocols. Add IP addresses to the whitelist for trusted access. Configure SSL certificates to ensure secure connections. Move on to the Backups section and establish a backup schedule. Regular backups protect your data and simplify recovery. Now, check the Domains section. Point your domain to the cloud server properly for seamless operation. Next, set up resource monitoring alerts to track performance. This proactive approach helps identify issues before they affect users. Once everything is configured, test your site speed using online tools. Optimize images and resources for better loading times. Finally, keep your software and plugins up to date to maintain security. Regularly review performance metrics for ongoing optimization. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your GoDaddy cloud hosting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.